Hey everyone, we're focusing on the MK230R keyboard today, which is a new product from company GamePro. It's a member of a new range of low-profile keyboards made for both professionals and gamers. Because it lacks a dedicated number pad, the MK230R is a tiny 75% form factor keyboard that is perfect for people who work on the go. With dimensions of 311 by 121 by 27 millimeters and a weight of only 470 grams. This model is portable enough to be used at home, at the workplace, or even in a coffee shop. Its robust metal base adds to its portability by keeping the keyboard strong and bending resistant, making it ideal for people who are constantly on the go or packing it in their baggage. The MK230R has 18 settings of RGB backlighting that may be customized. Although the brightness is somewhat diminished in Wi-Fi mode to preserve battery life, it is still bright, particularly in low light. The gray and black color scheme of the keyboard gives it a sleek, contemporary appearance, and the low-profile keycaps have a pleasing mechanical feel while being reminiscent of laptop keys in height. The MK230R has many useful functions in addition to its attractive appearance. For a configurable typing angle, it features tilt stands that can be adjusted and rubber feet. It also has a handy Windows Mac switch for seamless device interoperability and a USB-C port for charging. The MK230R's internal Tamu red mechanical switches provide a linear, silent keystroke that is perfect for prolonged use. These switches feature a pre-travel distance of 1.2 millimeters, an activation force of 45 grams, and a 50 million keystroke rating. A responsive typing and gaming experience that reduces noise and increases speed is guaranteed by this design. Switching between up to 3 devices, such as a computer, smartphone, or tablet, is simple with Bluetooth. For multitaskers who don't want to reconnect each time they switch devices, it's very helpful. Furthermore, NKRO technology guarantees flawless performance when pressing many keys at once, which is essential for prolonged periods of intense gaming. A 1.5-meter USB-C cable and 2,000 mAh battery are included with the MK230R. You may anticipate a battery life of up to 14 days without backlighting and roughly 7 days with illumination turned on, depending on usage. For those who appreciate mobility and don't want to continuously recharge, keyboard's extended battery life is ideal. Additionally, if the battery runs low, there won't be any downtime because it may function in wired mode while charging. Style, functionality, and portability are all combined in the GamePro MK230R. Gamers, office professionals, and anyone else looking for a dependable small keyboard will love its low-profile design, aluminum case, premium Tamu red switches, RGB illumination, and flexible connectivity. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.